Are you looking for perfect design inspiration? Get all the inspiration you need right here.
Perceiving things that don't exist in objective reality.
If you are new to the channel, here you can find a lot of design ideas. Subscribe and turn on notifications.
Experience the mind-expanding powers of acid. It's psychedelic, baby. That's what it's all.
Have you ever hung a frame not in the right place? We have taken the most important aspects of interior design and condensed them into a free cheat sheet for you. The only thing you need to do is grab yourself a free copy on our website, designercheatsheet.com.
Perception are distorted. He becomes confused, and he displays irresponsibility and perceiving things that don't exist in objective reality.
If this video was useful, give it a like. Thanks for being with us. Don't forget to grab your free copy of the Designer's Toolkit from our website, designercheatsheet.com.